we have already completed 3 lessons, isn't it? Now we are coming to those 3 lessons are there for the coming examination also. Now we are coming to the 4th lesson. This is the 4th lesson. Understood? That is an Indian American woman in space. Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla. Who is the woman? Who is the woman? Kalpana Chawla. Understood? So we are coming to the lesson, that is the Indian American. She is an Indian, at the same time an American also, because she was married to an American. That's why the name Indian American woman it is being said. Understood? Kalpana Chawla. In 1997, that is in which year? 1997. An Indian American, Kalpana Chawla, was part of the international crew aboard the US Space Shuttle Columbia. Which one? US Space Shuttle US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go to space. So she is an Indian, and in the year 1997 she had gone to space, that is the US Space Shuttle named Columbia. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in death. So that was the first time she is going, but again the second time she tried to go, but she was not able to go. Understood? She had met her death. Maranam sambhavichu. Okay? An Indian, now you understood? 1997, an Indian American, Kalpana Chawla, was part of the international crew. Crew means the whole group, the group of people going, the whole group. So here in this lesson, she is saying how was she able to go to space and what all things there she had seen. Understood? എന്തൊക്കെ കണ്ടുവെന്നും അതെങ്ങനെയാണ് പോയത്. Understood all of you? US Space Shuttle Columbia. So which was the shuttle? US, United States. US means United States Space Shuttle named Columbia. This is the name of that spaceship, Columbia. Becoming the first woman. She is the first woman. Isn't it? She is the first woman. Understood now? First woman in space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. Tragedy means sad, An Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Now we will go to the lesson. What is a space shuttle? A space shuttle is a spacecraft that is made for repeated space travel. For example, between Earth and a spaceship. So what do you mean by space shuttle? From Earth. Space shuttle means rocket, isn't it? Space shuttle means rocket from Earth to the to the space. From Earth, the rocket will be placed going straight to the space. Now we start the lesson. Tragedy in space. How was the tragedy? How was that a sad thing happened in space? US Space Shuttle Columbia. That means the summary of the whole lesson. US Space Shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. Breaks into flame means into fire. Isn't it? Flames means fire. Flames, fire. How it burst out. That means fire will be when it is being burst. Yes, when it is being burst. Now listen carefully. In an unprecedented space tragedy, U.S. Space Shuttle Columbia, carrying India-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others. How many are there? Kalpana Chawla plus 6 others. 6 other members. Others means members. Understood? So total how many members? Along with the 7 are there. 1 and 6 others. Understood? Broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards his landing strip on Saturday, 1st February 2003. That is on 1st February 2003 it got a burst. Understood? So the tragedy happened when 1st February 2003, killing all the people. So in that burst, what happened? All these members, total 7 members were killed. Understood? Were killed because the rocket burst out. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 AM and it came in for landing. It was flying at an altitude of over 200,000. 200,000. How much? 200,000 feet and traveling at over 20,000 kilometer per hour. 20,000 kilometer per hour. Understood? Per 1 hour, 1 hour. How many kilometers going? 20,000. When ground control lost contact with the shuttle. So when it was going this much height and in this much kilometer per hour, what happened? It was burst. Understood? Columbia had lifted off on 16th January. So when did it go? 16th January. When did it go? On 16th January 2003. It was the starting time. It was the starting time of January 16th, the year 2003. And when it got burst? 1st February 2003. So 16th January is going. Then how many days? Out of 31, 16 over 31. Yes, 16 days over 16. 20 plus 30, 11 and 5, 15 days. And on 16th day, what happened? It was burst and all these 7 members were killed. From the Kennedy Space Center, Florida, it had stayed on orbit for 16 days. So how many days it only? 16 days. Only for 16 days it was in the space. And the 7-member crew conducted. So within these 16 days, they had done more work. If 16 days they are a space they had conducted many experiments. About 80 experiments they had conducted. How many? 80. So before it began a downward journey which ended in tragedy. So after that, well, they were coming only. What had happened? The rocket was burst. This was Columbia's 28th space flight. And the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. So it was the 28th space flight. 28th space flight. Understood now? So 16th January 2003, Kalpana Chawla with 6 other members. In which one? US Space Shuttle Columbia. They had started their journey to space, isn't it? And they had travelled, what was the height? 200,000 feet in about 20,000 kilometer per hour it was going, isn't it? And while they were coming down for landing, what had happened? It was burst off, and all these 7 members were killed on the spot. And that is how Kalpana Chawla met her death. അങ്ങനെയാണ് Kalpana Chawla മരണം സംഭവിച്ചത്. Understood all of you? So now we will see who was this girl Kalpana Chawla and how did she study, what all things she had studied, and how did she become a great astronaut. How did she become a great astronaut? Understood? Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Carmel that she would cross the frontier of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. So after graduation means taking degree. After graduation means degree. After taking degree, what did her parents say she should go for? Engineering. After she graduated, she should allow her to join the engineering college. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Carmel. So she belongs to which place? Carmel. She belongs to which place? Carmel. That she would cross the frontiers of space. That means the extreme limit, isn't it? The high area, how much space in space that she had never as a child. She had never thought of going into the space. Understood? It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after graduating from Tagore School. So after completing from Tagore School, she was allowed to join the engineering college. After a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering, space, against a great opposition. Opposition means her father was not willing. From her father, she went for a master degree in the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off. Blast off means burned off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral. At Cape Canaveral, Florida. Where it is? Florida. And participate in a successful mission in space. Her family for India cheered along with the staff at the Kennedy Space Center. Starting from where? Starting from Kennedy Space Center. As they was the Columbia lifted up. So which was the spacecraft? Columbia. So the spacecraft Columbia. Understood? Just one Columbia. So now, after completing her degree, she had joined the aeronautical engineering, and from there again she had joined the United States for aerospace engineering, and then she was the first Indian American who had woman who had gone for space traveling, isn't it? And at the Cape Canaveral, Florida, they had started their mission. Our family from India cheered along with the staff, and from where they had started Kennedy Space Center. And there was the Columbia lifted. So from here, this is the place from where this Columbia started. This is a space from Space Center. From this Space Center, the US shuttle Columbia had started. So her parents and everybody were watching and they are proud enough. Understood? ഇവിടെ നിന്നാണ് അത് സ്പേസ് റോക്കറ്റ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Carnival. So she belongs to Carmel, the city, and there she did not, as a child, she had never thought of going into the space. She would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. So when her schooling was over, parents gave her permission to attend the engineering college. Understood? Understood all of you? That means she belongs to Carmel, and after her schooling she was allowed to go to the engineering college. After a Bachelor of Science degree, so which degree she had taken? Aeronautical Engineering. Which was her degree? Aeronautical Engineering. Against a great opposition means father was not willing. Against, yes, from her father, she went for a master degree to the United States of America. So her father did not want her to go to the United States, but after many time, her parents decided and she had gone to the United States. She later earned her there she went for PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana, that was the studying case. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad. She was the first Indian woman to start her journey from where? Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. So they were able to achieve a lot from that space travel. Her family from India cheered along with the staff at the Kennedy Space Center. So from where did they start their journey? Kennedy Space Center was the Columbia lifter. So which was the space shuttle? Columbia was the space shuttle. Understood now? Understood? Any doubt? Next. Kalpana was born in Carmel. That is Carmel in Haryana. Carmel in Haryana. Her place is in Haryana, near to New Delhi, SUP. It is in Uttar Pradesh, but was a naturalized US citizen. So she is a US citizen, United States citizen. How did she become? She came to known as a US citizen. She belongs to India, that is in Haryana. But how did she become an American also? Married to flight instructor Jean Perret Harrison. So she got married with who? Jean Perret Harrison. He is an American instructor. Because she got married with him. She came to know as the Indian American woman. Understood? Married to flight, he is a flight instructor. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly. So now you came to know how she is known as Indian American. Yes, because she belongs to Carmel, that is in Haryana and in India. Understood? But got married with the American instructor Jean Perret Harrison. That is why she came to known as Indian American woman. Understood? Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land aeroplanes, single engine seaplanes and gliders. So, other than aeronautic, not only going to the space travel, she was able to fly which all aeroplanes, single and multi-engine, single engine and more than one aeroplane, then single engine sea planes and then gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor, so she also became a instructor in flight. After qualifying as a pilot, she had become a pilot. Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA Space Shuttle program. NASA's Space Shuttle program. NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. So in 1994, NASA astronaut. Understood? So I'll read that once more. Kalpana was born in Karnal, that is in Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen. She is known as the US citizen, that is Indian American woman. Married to flight instructor Jean Perret Harrison. Why she was known as Indian American? Because she was married to an American flight instructor named Jean Perret Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, so she is not only an astronaut, she was licensed, she got the license to fly single and multi-engine land aeroplanes, then single engine seaplanes and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. As her husband, she is also a flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, so she had become a pilot. Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA Space Shuttle program. She had joined where? In NASA. Understood? She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. So now, later in 1994, she joined as an astronaut in the NASA Center. Yes. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied. So everybody asked, how is you in the field of astronaut as a woman, isn't it? I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and I followed them. And people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that is what you want to do, carry on. So everybody asked, as a woman, that means many in that spaceships in that times, in olden times and all, women coming forward was less. Only men used to do it, isn't it? So now she is the first woman who had come to do that, to go into that space shuttle. So everybody asked her, what is your experience? What is your experience becoming a great astronaut as a woman? What is your experience? So for that she had said, I really never ever thought, that means I had never thought as a child, she had said in the beginning that she had never thought of going into space, isn't it? While pursuing my study, while doing or doing anything else. So while doing her studies or joining in the college or doing anything else, she had never thought of going into the space. That I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different. That means I did not think that I am a woman or I belongs to a small place in India, Haryana. I did not think about that. My aim was that because I did not think that I am a woman. I was just thinking that how I can conquer space. Understood? That was her aim. She did not think her gender, whether she is male or female. She did not think about that when she was doing her studies and all. So while doing engineering, while doing aeronautical, while becoming a pilot or while a great astronaut, She did not think that she was a woman. Only thing in front of her is that how she could conquer it. എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇത് കോൺകർ ചെയ്ത് താനൊരു സ്ത്രീ ആണെന്നുള്ളൊരു ബോധം അല്ലായിരുന്നു. പകരം ഇതെങ്ങനെ അച്ചീവ് ചെയ്യാം. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്? I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and I followed them. So she was having the dream. What was her dream? To conquer space, isn't it? So that dream was the only thing she had aim is her dream. Understood? And the people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that is what you want to do, Karen. So the dream in her made her achieve that, isn't it? So everybody think that if we don't have any aim in us, any dream in us, thinking that I have to become a doctor or I have to become a great scientist, that dream in your mind, that aim in your mind, without that we cannot achieve it, isn't it? അത് നമുക്കൊരു എയിം ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്കത് അച്ചീവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. We are not able to achieve it. So keeping that aim in our mind, what we should do? We should work towards it. നമ്മൾ അതിലേക്ക് വർക്ക് ഹാർഡ് ചെയ്യണം. Then only what we can do? We can achieve it. Understood now? So that she was having the dream in her. What was her dream? What must be her dream? That she has to conquer the space. So that dream was in her. So she forgot about everything and only thing she pointed is what? Towards her aim. And towards her dream, her great dream. You have to dream more and more. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam had said, you dream and you achieve. Dream about it. You have to dream and your dream will fulfill. Understood now? Same. നമ്മൾ സ്വപ്നം കാണണം. സ്വപ്നം കണ്ട് we have to go towards it. അതിലോട്ട് നമ്മൾ പോകണം. If that is what you want to do, carry on. So others also encouraged her, who were her parents and everybody, her friends and their relatives, everybody, what did they do? They encouraged her. So here, when we are having that encouragement, we will be able to achieve it. നമ്മുടെ aim, നമുക്ക് aim achieve ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ ഒപ്പം നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? പ്രോത്സാഹനം, എൻകറേജ്മെൻറ്റും കൂടെ നമുക്ക് വേണം. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളെ എൻകറേജ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ആൾക്കാരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ we will be able to achieve it. Understood? Understood? Kalpana's first space mission in the Space Shuttle Columbia. We had already said, isn't it? Which was the Space Shuttle Columbia. Just one Columbia. With the 50 and how many days? 16 days. 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times. How many times did she go? 252 times. She had gone around the earth. Traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and an Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and test for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. All for a price tag of about 50. So total about $56 billion. That means how many days it took? 15 days. 16 hours and 34 minutes. Understood? About 252 times around the earth. 10.45 million kilometers. Clear to you? Million kilometers they had gone around the earth. The crew included, and who all were there in the crew means group. In that group, who all were there included? How many members are there? 7 members. Including whom? Kalpana Chawla. Isn't it? Including her, only 7 members are there. Among them, among the 7 members, 2 astronauts are, one is one Japanese and one Ukrainian. the crew, and they performed experiment. Already said they have performed about 80 experiments, and among them pollinating plants to observe food. How plants can observe food growth in space. If we plant plants in space, how they can get food. That experiment they had done. Then test for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. All for a price tag, that means about $56 million. About $56 million was their target. Yes. Understood now? Kalpana's first space mission in the Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. During this time, she went around the Earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and Ukrainian astronaut, and they had performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food, growth in space, and test for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. All for a price tag of about $56 million. Understood now? Now next. Now we had seen that they had gone to up to here, isn't it? Now coming to the landing time. That means now altogether 15 days are going to end. And what had happened on the 16th day? Yes, a great burst off, isn't it? Now we will see that. That means they had started on Saturday 1st January 2003. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. So nobody could think that anything will happen, isn't it? But a bad news had come. What was the bad news? 16th January they had gone, isn't it? Now Saturday 1st February, yes. When the news broke the Columbia disaster, the Columbia had a burst of shock and disbelief. The town of Carmel spent a sleepless night. Thousands of households stayed glued to their television set in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. Understood? So what happened on the first Saturday? 1st February, isn't it? 2003. Saturday 1st February 2003. So on that day, suddenly everybody heard about the burst of the Space Shuttle Columbia, and all are in front of the television seeing the great disaster. Understood? When we also come to know about the disasters, the plane crash and all. The last day, very recently, about the broken in Kochi. The aeroplane, is burst of the aeroplane. We are looking at the television and seeing the scenes of each and everything, isn't it? Similarly, when the news had come, the news all were sitting in front of the TV only, and they all were praying for whom? Kalpana Chawla and the 6 members about this Columbia. Understand? It had a burst of, and they were thinking they should somehow survive. Isn't it? Even in Kochi, what had happened also? Everyone were praying that their members should not die, isn't it? But unfortunately, many death was there, isn't it? Like that, all were sitting in front of the TV. Columbia disaster broke. There was shock and disbelief. It was a great shock for the people. Only just 15 days was over. The town of Carmel, that is the place, isn't it, in Haryana? Spent a sleepless. Nobody was sleeping in the night. Thousands of households stayed glued to the television. All were sitting in front of the television set. Hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow, they were thinking that Kalpana Chawla and the other members will be safe. But a journalist, person who is a journalist, the person who is writing the news report, he has written, she was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. Enormous, great. It is a great, enormous, huge. Huge. Enormous means huge. Ability that കഴിവ് is to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. That means from biology till aeronautical engineering. You should know the whole knowledge. That means the whole knowledge surrounding from biology till aeronautic engineering. That is the greatest thing about each and everything you should come to know. That vast knowledge should be there. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronomer. Encyclopedia means the whole knowledge is there, isn't it? Her achievement is how inspiring. It is wonderful. Her achievement is wonderful. That means she had gone through all the knowledge, ability. That means from biology, aeronautical, aerospace engineering, and everything. All the whole knowledge had filled her to achieve the. So it is something wonderful. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies and become an inspiration. Sorry. In a message that she sent from abroad, the Space Shuttle Columbia, to students of a college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the mission to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams." So she had said, she had given a message. What is the message? Yes, to fulfill that means you will have a dream in you and you have to work hard to achieve your dream. So when she was a small child, she did not think of going into the space or any of her journey like this. But one after another, she had joined the engineering and she had achieved that. And finally, she had gone round the earth about 252 times, about 1,000,000 kilometers, isn't it? And she was able to achieve her dream. But unfortunately, she was not able to go further into her dreams. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from the small town, that means from India, Haryana in Uttar Pradesh, who touched the skies, had gone into the space, had become an inspiration. That means she was the first woman, isn't it? At that time, nobody was coming forward. They did not think that a woman will achieve anything, isn't it? So she was the first woman. That means she did not think about that she was a woman by herself, isn't it? Only thing is, in front of her was her dream, and she had pointed to the dream to achieve it. In a message that she sent from abroad, the Space Shuttle Columbia, to students of a college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said to the students she had given the message, "The path from dreams to success does exist." That means everybody is having the dream and the path also through how we have to go. If there is a dream in you, there will be a path also through which you have to go. The only thing is that according to your dream, you have to walk into. Understood? May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get it. That what is their vision and courage. These two must be there. The vision to go forward and the courage to achieve. Courage to achieve your dream. Courage to achieve your dream. Wishing you a great journey. So she is saying, all those ones who are having the vision and courage to achieve space, to conquer space, I am giving my blessings to you. I am wishing you all a great journey. There will surely be many who start up on this journey to fulfill their dreams. So she had said, if I am not there, there will be many others who are waiting to achieve their dreams. So that answer, that is the story of Kalpana Chawla, the Indian American space woman, the first space woman. And the questions, where did Kalpana Chawla born? Why is she called an Indian American? Where is she born? Cardinal in Haryana. And why is she called an Indian astronaut? Because she was married to an American flight instructor, Jean Perret Harrison. When and why did she go to the US in 1994? Who did she marry? Jean Perret Harrison. How did she become an astronaut? What gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut? That means she had gone there, she had becoming an astronaut, she got the license to fly the aeroplanes and the gliders, and she was certified as a flight instructor. Later she joined the NASA, and then she became in 1994 became the trainer as an astronaut. What abilities must an astronaut have according to the journalist? That means from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering, and they should have the encyclopedic knowledge. This is Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space. So how was the first mission? It took 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long, and during the time she had gone about 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers, and it was the group of 7 members including Kalpana, understood, 6 others and she, and among them one Japanese and an Ukrainian, and they had conducted about 80 experiments, and among them some few are here, that is like pollinating plants to observe food growth in space, then test for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. All these she had done, and about $56 million. The expense of all this was about $56 million. Then what does Kalpana Chawla say about pursuing a dream? That means the path from dream to vision, dream to success exists to everybody, and we should have that vision to find it and the courage to get into it. And the remaining question answers will be sent to you. So read the lesson carefully, and after getting the notes, complete it. Understood?